welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to create tasks in HubSpot CRM from Instagram lead ads. So here I'm running some Instagram lead ad for my business, and here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Instagram lead ad, then automatically a new task for the same should be created in my HubSpot CRM account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Instagram lead ad with my HubSpot CRM account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically create the HubSpot task from Instagram lead ad submissions. This ensures your team can follow up with new leads instantly, helping you boost conversions and stay organized. Alright, so now here on my screen you can see my Instagram account, and here I'm running some Instagram lead ads. And here let me tell you that I've already connected my Instagram account with my Facebook account with the name Digital Dynamics. And now here my objective is that when I'm going to receive a new lead through my Instagram lead ad, then automatically a task for the same should be created in my HubSpot account like this. So now here firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation to understand the entire process more clearly. So here to see the working of this amazing automation, what we are going to do is that we are going to generate a test lead in our Instagram lead ad, and for that we are going to use a lead test testing tool by Meta. So this is a lead test testing tool by Meta, and this is my lead ad form, and here you can see the details that I've already pre-filled over here, such as the service and trust, best time to contact, first name, last name, email, phone number, and the company name. So I'm going to click on this continue for the same, and then I'm going to click on this submit, and here you can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check our HubSpot CRM account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new HubSpot task over here with the name follow with the testing user, and here you can see some other details as well. So with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation, and now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Instagram lead ad with your HubSpot CRM account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and here before moving forward with the connection, and now here before moving forward, let me all tell you about the Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners, and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share your workflows, and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active, supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Alright, so let's move back to our Pabbly Connect's homepage, and here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner, and then here's asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options, that is new beta and the classic. So basically new beta is modern, faster, and more flexible, whereas classic is stable and the familiar approach. So for now we are going to use a new launch feature, that is new beta over here. So we are going to click on the select, and then a dialog box is appear in front of us. So here we need to give a name to our workflow first. So I'm going to give the name as create task in HubSpot CRM from Instagram lead ads, and then it is asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here it is asking us to select the trigger. So let me tell you that trigger and the action is the two most important principles of an automation process. And now here firstly we are going to set up the trigger by clicking on this add button given over here. So here we need to select our trigger application. So as you all know that I'm receiving my new leads through my Instagram lead ads. So I'm going to select the leads as Instagram lead ads over here. And here for the event, I'm going to select the event as new lead instant. So that when I'm going to receive a new lead through my Instagram lead ad, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response. Or you can say automatically this entire workflow should get triggered. Alright, so now here to build the connection, I'm going to click on this connect. And then here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Instagram lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and as I've already told you that my Facebook account is connected with my Instagram account. Alright, so here I've successfully built a connection, and then it is asking me to select the page and the lead gen form. So here I've already shown you that I have my page with the name Digital Dynamics over here. So here I'm going to select that particular page over here, that is Digital Dynamics, and here after selecting the page, it is asking me to select the lead gen form. So in my Meta Business Suite under lead ads form, you can see the forms that I've created over here till now. So in this particular case, I'm going to use the form that I've created with the name new form. You can create your own lead ad form as per your need. Alright, so here I'm going to select that particular form. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now after selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead in our Instagram lead ad. So again here to generate the test lead, let me all take you back to my lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is the lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one, because it says you can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button given over here, and it says your lead has been deleted. So let's refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. Now here after refreshing the window, we are going to select our page again with the name Digital Dynamics and the form as new form, and then we are going to click on this preview form. Now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So I'm going to select a random service, random time, first name as dummy lead, first name as dummy, last name as lead, email as dummylead@pabblytools.com. Here for the phone number, I'm going to enter a random phone number. And then here for the company name, I'm going to enter the name as XYZ company. And then I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the service interest, best time to contact, first name, last name, email, phone number, company name, and some other details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have set up our trigger, that means once we have received new lead details for Instagram lead ad, then automatically I want to create a task for the same in my HubSpot CRM account. So for that, what we are going to do is that we are going to add another action step over here. So for that, we are going to right click on it, and then we are going to select add action step, and here I'm going to select my action application as HubSpot CRM, and here in this action step I'm going to select my action event as create a task. So I'm going to search for that particular event. So this is a create a task engagement, and then I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your HubSpot CRM account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with HubSpot CRM. So here I'm going to select my desired account. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then it is asking me for the task subject, task body, and some other details. Here for the task subject, I'm going to enter the subject as follow up with, and here I'm going to enter the lead's name. So here instead of entering the lead's name manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my Instagram lead ads or you can say from my previous action step as well. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive a new lead through our Instagram lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So firstly, I'm going to map the first name, then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. Here for the task body, I'm going to enter all the required details that we have received through our Instagram lead ads response. So firstly, we are going to map the service interest, then we are going to enter a comma, then we are going to enter the best time to contact, and then we are going to enter a comma, and then we are going to enter the email address, then we are going to enter a comma, and lastly we are going to map the phone number and the company name. Alright, so with this we have successfully added the task body over here. So we are going to move forward. Here for the status, I'm going to select in progress. Here for object type, it is an order required field, so I'm going to leave it blank. Again, we are going to move forward with the priority. I'm going to select high. Here for is active, I'm going to select true, and again these fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave it blank, and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new task in our HubSpot CRM account. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new task over here where we have created the task with the name follow with the dummy lead, and here you can see the entire details. So with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as Instagram lead ads and our action as HubSpot CRM, so that when you're going to receive new lead through Instagram lead ad, then automatically a task for the same is going to be created in our HubSpot CRM account. Alright, so these were the steps to how to create task in HubSpot CRM from Instagram lead ads. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you like the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.